Candlenut, scientifically known as Aleurites moluccanus, is a tropical tree native to Southeast Asia. The candlenut tree produces a fruit that contains a large seed known as the candlenut, kukui nut, or candleberry. While the name candlenut comes from the traditional use of the nuts as a source of oil for fueling lamps, they also offer significant health benefits and are utilized in various culinary and medicinal practices. Candlenuts have long been recognized for their potential to promote hair growth. They contain essential fatty acids, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are known to nourish the scalp and support healthy hair follicles. These fatty acids help to strengthen the hair shaft, prevent breakage, and enhance overall hair health. In addition to their potential benefits for hair growth, candlenuts offer a range of other health benefits. They are a rich source of nutrients, including minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals play a vital role in maintaining strong bones, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. Candlenuts also contain antioxidants, which protect the body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, they provide dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gastrointestinal system. Traditionally, candlenuts have been used in medicinal practices to treat various ailments. They are believed to possess antimicrobial properties and have been used to combat skin infections and promote wound healing. Candlenut oil is also used topically to moisturize and nourish the skin. When it comes to consumption, candlenuts are typically used in cooking and are a key ingredient in several traditional dishes. However, it's important to note that raw candlenuts are toxic due to the presence of a compound called saponin. Therefore, proper processing and preparation of candlenuts are crucial before consumption. To use candlenuts in cooking, they are usually roasted or boiled to remove the toxic compounds. Once prepared, candlenuts can be ground into a paste or crushed into smaller pieces for use in curries, sauces, or marinades. They add a unique, slightly sweet, and nutty flavor to dishes. It's worth mentioning that candlenuts are highly caloric due to their high fat content, so moderation is key when incorporating them into your diet. If you have any allergies or underlying health conditions, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming candlenuts or products derived from them.